go get them again.
Welcome back to the DEWY channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Diptyque Paris. Diptyque and I love this brand. Really a niche brand, honestly. It is a brand that doesn't get much press on our YouTubes. This one called L'Ombre dans l'eau. This is the eau de toilette version. There is an EDT version like Diptyque likes to do. So this is the OG, and now this is released. This was released back in '83. It's a good year. I'm an '80s baby, so I'm a big fan of that. I can't wait to see what this one has to offer. Obviously, a top seller from the brand. Not discontinued. I love seeing brands or fragrances that stand the test of time. Right, '83 is a long time ago. Still going. So I can't wait to see what this one has to offer. I love delving into this brand and discovering more. It is a brand that I haven't discovered too much. I've got my favorites, but I really want to delve more into the brand. Now, before we go into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, right, I am one of the few reviewers that will speak about Diptyque as a brand on my channel. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, right? Encourage me. Honestly, the likes are just for the algorithm to get my little face in front of the influencers. That's the only thing that really makes me want to say this. To get more likes is just to get a real voice instead of fakeness. Not a fan of it. You know, that's the only reason why. But I appreciate if you're part of the Robes 08 coalition, we'll say, versus the Free Bottle Brigade. Let's tackle them. One video at a time. Much appreciated. To my returnees, welcome back, baby. Let's delve into a Diptyque fragrance. Now, notes. We got cassis, rose, blackcurrant buds, blackcurrant leaf, bergamot, musk, and ambre gris. Let's look at pricing. This one retails for around $230 for 100 ml, for $130 on Fragflex. So really good deal on Fragflex on this one. We'll talk about Fragflex. I'm decanting for them if you need to know. Not a sponsored video, but I still need to talk about them. They have a coupon code that they gave me just because I decant for them. It was nice of them to do that. I told them I was going to do videos. They're like, oh, let's give you a coupon code. I don't know why they were so excited. I'm like, sure, I'll do that. But I get paid for decanting. I don't get paid to do these videos. These videos are on me because that's why I came onto YouTube. If you don't know me, the whole reason I went on YouTube was to help out the fragrance community. Well, there was no fragrance community on YouTube when I first delved into it. Anyway, let's talk about L'Ombre dans l'eau. '83 release. Jeez, it's an oldie, eh? Look at this. Love the bottles. Very simplistic. I still have the old school square ones from Diptyque. I don't even know where my Diptyques are. It's been a while since I've worn one. L'Ombre dans l'eau. All right, let's delve into it. Eau de toilette version, right? There's an EDT, so keep that in mind. Pretty good atomizer on this one. All right, let's smell it. Oh, that's green. Well, that's really nice. Ooh, green, watery, vegetal. This was released in '83. That's got to be reformulated 10 times over. It's modern. Very green, very vegetal. And I mean like stem, leafy, ozonic, watery, blackcurrant leaf and bud. Yes, mostly leaf than the actual juiciness of the bud, of the actual fruit. Very green as a scent profile. Very green. You gotta like your green scents. You gotta like them. And I like them. I love a good green, especially in the spring. Nothing beats it for me. Like there's florals, of course, and there's stuff like mint, which is again in the green herbal side of things. It's probably my favorite genre when I look into the mint or the herbal green aspects. But this is absolutely right up my alley. Very green. More, there is a jammy blackcurrant note in here, but it's not as pronounced as the greenness. There's a little bit of rose. There's a little bit of musks. The green reminds me of tomato leaf a little bit. Actually, quite a bit, not just a little bit, quite a bit. I'll state it here. And I know I have some subscribers that do like tomato leaf. This might be right up your alley. If you haven't smelt this, the vegetal aspect is really bringing me back and it's drawing me in. I really like this. It smells like stems, it smells like leaves, a little earthy. It has a dewy aspect to it. Smells like going for a walk after the rain near some greenery. Not a forest, greenery, right? Leafy stuff, right? Like ferns and stuff like that, leaves. Yeah, this is well composed for an 80s release. Modern to this day. And you know, this is going in 40 years here. Whew. This thing is still like, imagine this released in the 80s. Wow. Like really, wow. Like this released in the 80s, like as transparent and as beautiful as L'Homme dans l'eau is, really good, really solid from Diptyque. Really like this one. Yeah, still modern to this day, beautiful. So if you like tomato leaf, you like green scents, you have to like green scents. It's a green scent through and through. You like blackcurrant, it's got a little smidden of it to give it a little bit of love. Ambre gris, forget about that. There's watery aspects, but there's nothing ambergris like. There is some muskiness in here, but I love the vegetal side of things on here. Beautiful, beautiful composition. Not top 5 worthy as far as my taste for the brand. Just saying it out there, but very good contender for. And again, I haven't smelt that many from the brand, but I would say this is top 10 at the moment. It would be in there just because on how good it is. This will be great in the spring. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly, right? This has. The people that do comment under this video, especially if they've smelt this, I feel like those are the true blue fragrance heads. Those are the people I do these videos for. You know, and you guys might have more experience than me, less. You have great taste. You know, anybody that talks about this brand, you kind of have to respect their fragrance taste, because there's certain brands that you can judge. Not that you want to judge people, but you're just like, oh, you're starting to talk about PDM and issue, and I'm like, ugh. But you start talking about, you know, Diptyque and brands that are like off the beaten path, you have my interest. Like, I'm interested in hearing what you have to say. I'm not saying that people that like an issue have no taste or anything like that. They may have underground taste that you don't know. Yeah, this is beautiful. So I can't wait to see the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. And again, this is a brand that I've tackled a bit on my channel. You can always type in Robes 08 and Diptyque, and you can see which ones I've spoken about. I have several samples of the brand in my mega big, thousands of samples just staring at me right now saying, when are you going to do sampling samples again, Mark? Because we are dying over here. And I did make like an internal pact to myself that I wanted to delve into my samplings, my samples, and kind of chip away at them on the channel. I like doing that on the purpose on the channel, testing out new things. But this Fragflex thing is like kind of like sampling samples, because it's, yeah, I'm not going in depth as much as sampling samples, but it's brand new fragrances to me, really quick takes, and it's like sampling through a bottle, basically. All right, as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely, especially a green one. This is a very solid one that I would recommend to sample or get a decant. Surprising that it came out in the 80s. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.